بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. ظفر اقبال اردو اکیڈمی. Second paper of general knowledge from question number 36 to 70. First MCQ is the Christians believe on Trinity. عیسائیوں کا عقیدہ کیا ہے؟ وہ عقیدہ تثلیث پر یقین رکھتے ہیں. مسجد محبت خان is located in Peshawar. Option B. The major source of energy in Pakistan is oil and gas. Option B. State Bank of Pakistan was inaugurated by Quaid-e-Azam in 1st July 1948. Option C. Powerhouse of living cell is called mitochondria. Option C. Name the function which is used to find the length of string is len bracket. Option D. The first Ministry of Muslim League in the province of Sindh was established in 1943. Option C. Apple Park is located in which city? Option A. California. Maldives Island is smallest Muslim state. What is the percentage of Muslim population there? Option D. 100% Muslim population is in Maldives Island. Ancient period in history ended in option D 476 AD. In which year Hindi Urdu controversy started? Option A 1867 and the city is Banaras. After how many years normally census is conducted? Option D after 10 years. 10 साल बाद अमूमी तौर पे मरदम शुमारी की जाती है. Where is the tomb of Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi located? Option A. Rome. General Pervez Musharraf introduced district system in which year? 2004. Nuclear energy, when expanded, converts chemical energy into heat. What is the shortcut key to Central Elegant? The selected text is Control E. Option B. What is the smallest and largest font size available in the font size tool on formatting toolbar? Is 8 and 72. Option B. 8 is smallest font size and 72 is the largest font size. In which year Muslim League in Balochistan was established? 1939. Option D. Which key is used to save a document in MS Office Word? Option B. Control S. And which key is used for paste in MS Word? Is Control V. Option B. When was the Qibla changed? Option B. 2nd Hijri. Which shortcut is used to calculate the range of cells in MS Excel? Is Alt plus. Option A. How many times the word Ahmad has appeared in the Holy Quran? Option A. Only 1 times. The literal meaning of Psalm is to stop. Option B. The title page of document is called cover page. Option B. The freezing row and column in Excel is in which pane? Is option C. Freezing pane. Go to command in Excel is located in find. Option B. Which type of view is not present in PowerPoint? Is slideshow. Option B. The PowerPoint view that displays only text, title and bullets is option A. Outline view. Which command is used to open PowerPoint file? Option B. PowerPoint exe. The dash option is used to show a specific row and column on every printed page. Is print title. Option B. Which surah is called Arusul Quran? Option B. Surah Rahman. Who is credited for building the Great Wall of China? Option D. King Shi Huang. Dash is a predefined set of colors, fonts and visual effects that you apply to your slides is theme. Option D, which among following wild card characters are recognized by Excel is star and question mark.